We are so excited for Bully Prevention Month to have Justin Tutt here, Man in the Black Chucks, presenting to our scholars today. He was very personable. He kept it real with them, as he said, keeping it 100 and making sure our scholars understand what it means to, first of all, be human, be a kid, be kind, and take kindness into consideration as they're thinking about themselves and thinking about others. As he talked about bullying today, it was part of helping us to continue to develop our cultural and traditions here around the school for our culture and climate, and making sure that we understand what it means to be here, to be human, and again, be kind to one another. And I'm going to keep expressing that message because that was the message that he expressed to our students today, and each of them walked out of that gym room and assembly today understanding what it meant. We thank him, we'll always welcome him back, and we recommend him for any and all other schools. Thank you.